How to find someone's YouTube handle. All that you have to do is just go to YouTube. So on the YouTube platform, if you want to find anybody's YouTube handle, just go to the search bar and then type in the name of the channel. The name of the channel, I am going to use iTechOfficial. So after typing in the name of the channel, just hit enter, and as you can see, this is the name of the channel, and then this is the channel that I was talking about. And then under the channel, you can see we have the handle here. To find somebody's handle, all that you have to do is to just type in the name of the YouTuber's channel, okay? And then when you go there, under it, you will see the handle. The handle name is at iTechOfficial. So if you want to search for this channel by the handle name, just search for it by starting with at iTechOfficial and then hit enter. And as you can see, this is the channel. This is how to search any channel by its handle. And as you can see, the handle is under the name of the channel. So thank you for watching. Like it and then see you in my next video.